Hello, viewers. Welcome to Vinrays Academy. This is Vinay. In today's video, we're diving into one of the hottest trends in quality assurance: how to integrate AI into your existing QA automation framework. This video will guide you through the key steps and benefits of blending AI with your current QA tools. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned automation tester, there's something valuable for everyone. Let's get started. AI is revolutionizing QA by making tests faster, smarter, and more reliable. But what does that mean in practice? Imagine an AI that not only automates simple test cases, but also predicts potential failure points before they happen. AI enhances your testing framework by learning from past data and applying those learnings to create better, more robust test cases. So, why should you consider integrating AI into your current framework? Well, aside from efficiency, AI also helps optimize resources, reduce human errors, and streamline complex processes. In this video, we'll take a step by step approach to show you how this works. Before jumping into AI, the first step is evaluating your current automation framework. Think about what's working and what isn't. Are there any bottlenecks in your testing pipeline? Which test cases are repetitive, resource intensive, or prone to human error? AI is excellent at handling large scale, repetitive tasks, and it's here where you can maximize efficiency. So, take a close look at your framework, whether you're using Selenium, Cypress, or another tool, and identify areas where AI can enhance or automate processes. This assessment phase is critical to ensure a smooth integration later on. Now let's talk about tools. The market is filled with AI powered testing tools, and choosing the right one can be daunting. But don't worry, let's break it down. You can either use out of the box AI testing tools like Testim, Mabel, or Applitools, which integrate seamlessly with existing frameworks like Selenium and Cypress. Or if you're feeling more adventurous, you can build custom AI models using libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, or PyTorch. Each approach has its pros and cons. Ready-made tools are quicker to implement, but custom models offer more control and adaptability. The key is to select a tool that aligns with your specific needs. Test case generation is one of the most time consuming aspects of QA. AI can significantly reduce the manual effort here. For instance, AI can analyze previous test data and automatically generate new test cases based on patterns it detects. But that's not all. AI can also prioritize test cases. How does it do that? By evaluating the risk factors associated with different modules in your application. High risk areas are prioritized for testing, while lower risk areas are left for later. This not only saves time, but also ensures your most critical features are tested first. Let's look at a real world example. Suppose you're testing an e commerce website. You have hundreds of features, from product search to checkout. Now, using traditional methods, creating test cases for every scenario would take days, if not weeks. But with AI, you can automate the generation of these cases. By analyzing past user behavior and test results, AI could suggest new test cases for edge scenarios, like what happens if a user tries to check out without adding any items to the cart. These are the subtle improvements AI brings to the table, making your QA more comprehensive and adaptive. AI isn't just for test case generation, it can also optimize test execution. In traditional testing, all test cases may run regardless of whether they are necessary for the current build. But AI takes a smarter approach. It can predict which parts of your code base are most likely to fail based on recent changes and run tests accordingly. This is known as predictive testing. By focusing on high risk areas, AI reduces the time and computational resources needed for test execution. What's more, it can even adapt tests in real time, modifying steps based on the current data, making your testing framework dynamic rather than static. Reporting is another area where AI shines. Rather than simply showing pass or fail results, AI driven reporting tools dig deeper into the data. They analyze the root causes of failures, identify patterns in bug occurrences, and even predict potential future issues based on trends. This kind of insight is invaluable for both developers and testers because it allows for quicker fixes and a more proactive approach to quality. Imagine getting a report that not only says a test failed, but also suggests exactly where in the code the problem might be. I can do that, saving valuable time in debugging and troubleshooting. Now, while AI offers incredible potential, it's important to recognize the challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the quality of data. AI models are only as good as the data they are trained on. Poor quality or incomplete data can lead to inaccurate predictions or tests. Another challenge is the need for regular monitoring and tweaking of AI models. They're not set and forget tools. You need to continuously feed them updated data and adjust them for evolving requirements. Lastly, remember that AI is a tool to enhance your framework, not replace human oversight entirely. Some test scenarios still require the human touch, especially in areas involving user experience or complex logic. In conclusion, integrating AI into your existing QA automation framework is not only achievable but also highly beneficial. From reducing manual effort in test creation to optimizing execution and reporting, AI has the potential to transform the way QA teams operate. However, like any new technology, it comes with its own set of challenges, chiefly data quality and the need for continuous monitoring. By starting small, evaluating your current framework, and choosing the right AI tools, you can gradually integrate AI and see its impact on your testing processes. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Vinrays Academy for more insights into AI, automation, and QA. See you next time.